Okay, I have put the REV1 engine in. I have my light adjusters, my light readers from my Decoder Buddy on top. But I'm wondering, so it moves, but it has kind of a start and stop jerkiness. It's not anything to do with clean. So I'm wondering if that's a problem right down in there causing that. Just let me know. So here, let me see if you can see it from the camera here. Let's give it a little speed. Actually, you can see it more when you hit reverse. So let's give it a look. Gotta mind the dogs. Sorry about that. I lubed everything. This is of course, this is an old Bachmann F7 EMD unit that I purchased and I'm resurrecting. It's doing good now. I've let it have some run-in time, so let's speed it up a little bit. Just see, not that I would ever run mine this high. It seems all right. So now let me slow it down. Okay, so let's go forward, and so let's go at quarter speed, less than quarter speed here. I wonder if that's a problem. Is that a problem? See where I'm shining that at? Just let me know. I didn't think it would be, but the front one is okay. That's what the front one looks like. And I've got some lubing down there under that bar, so nothing happens. So if you watch, let's speed it up a little more. I think it's balancing out now. Just let me know what you think. But for a while, I had like a bunch of fast start and stop. I went and cleaned my track is clean enough. Let's see what I can do here. I think it's all right. So I've been letting it run around here for about 45 minutes. See if it does that start and stop again. It has nothing to do. It's like it's dragging a little bit, but I think it's fine. I think it's all right. You speed it up, just go high. Just not that I would ever run mine this high. Let's see what happens. Whee! Okay. Slow her down, baby. Okay. Let's go back, like on ESPN. Let's go back. See if it does that start and scoot. It was doing a lot of that at first, and I oiled and lubed the gears. Now let's see. Now let's see if we can trigger it to do that by going really, really, really slow. Like, let's go this slow. Barely 1/4. There we go. Is that a problem there in the back where there's nothing blocking it? Just let me know if you think that's a problem in that rear right here. Kind of got a little wobble to it, but I think it's okay. But it's doing like a kind of a, not a smooth glide. Let's take a look. I think it's alright. I don't know. Being too particular here. I don't think it's alright. I think I can finish. Give me your thoughts. Thanks. Bye.